Understanding complex geology shouldn't slow your workflow down. But too often, building structural models means switching between tools, formats, and workflows. With FEFLOW 11, you can now build geological models directly within the graphical interface using the new structural model editor. No more fragmented workflows or external pre-processing. This means faster model setup, fewer errors, and more time focused on analysis, not data handling. Let's take a look. First, enable the model extension in your Supermesh project. If you're working with external datasets, the geometric tools help you quickly prepare your initial domain. With the editor, you can combine borehole data, fault networks, and stratigraphic sequences to define a complete modeling domain, ready for discretization. Use the boundaries page to define the extent of your geological model through a collection of surfaces and boundary types. The structural model editor and FEFLOW view are fully synchronized. Every selection is instantly reflected visually, helping you confidently assign and validate model components. Once your geometry is defined, FEFLOW builds a sealed block that becomes the foundation of your geological model. Next, define borehole data and geological observations. You can import datasets or digitize boreholes directly within the interface. All boreholes are continuously visualized. Selecting them in the editor highlights them instantly in the Supermesh view, ensuring full transparency and control. Boreholes provide key constraints for your model. Horizon points are automatically extracted to build a consistent stratigraphic framework. In the stratigraphy page, units are defined using borehole data including materials and average thickness. You can refine these parameters to better constrain the model. Interfaces between units are defined using horizon points, either generated or imported. Optional horizon weighting lets you fine-tune how strongly each constraint influences the model. Each interface type, deposit, baselap, or erosion, guides how the geological structure is formed. With all inputs defined, generate your 3D geological model using implicit surface modeling. The result is a complete 3D Supermesh project ready for meshing with stratigraphic blocks and geological constraints fully defined. You can then inspect and validate your model at any stage using real-time 3D visualization directly within the editor. Want more? FEFLOW 11 builds on these capabilities with a comprehensive suite of Python APIs, enabling you to automate and refine your modeling workflows. Together with the structural model editor, this creates an all-in-one workflow that accelerates model setup and reduces data handling errors. You also maintain full visual control throughout, supported by flexible Python API integration. The result is a seamless transition from raw data to simulation-ready models, all within a single, integrated environment. Take the next step. Build 3D geological models directly in FEFLOW 11. Download the latest version today.